Where's his head with the hard hat?
Right there, like, where's the hard hat?
Like, Jimmy, where's I don't know, man.
I left it here, man.
I left it on that chair.
You know these are actually pretty hard.
I know, yeah. That's what she said. Oh, I'm gonna tune back into the video now. Trying to get like a rock or something.
Oh, there's your house.
Oh shit. Yeah, there is. Yo, you know what I should have done? I should have brought like drinks over here. We could have like chilled. We need to do that at some point.
Oh.
Holy
yep,
shit.
sewage.
God damn. I hear some.
Wait, you need to follow me.
Shh. Yo, dude, look at that manhole.
Wait, but you need to follow me.
I bet.
See those things? Let's hop into it. They leave the keys.
Yo, dude, come. Yo, over here. Yo, wait, I'm climbing.
Wait.
You wanna go in? You wanna go in? Oh, shit.
Oh shit, no. I should keep it wide.
Climb up the ladder, climb up the ladder. Yeah, I'm gonna be able to fit in here.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, bruh. Get a fucking construction site. Ah!
I'm gonna fall. Is that an eye?
Where? No.
Okay, you're.
Yeah, I'm like dead over here. Alright, so you're gonna need to get out, and then I'll just hop out from on top.
I can hop out from up top.
No, the thing is, I don't think I can fit back into that hole.
I can't fit back into that. I got your camera.
Bro, hold this for a second. Like sneaking in private property?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we're technically not in private property anymore.
We technically live here.
No, we're not in private property anymore.
Oh yeah.
Look, she's up on the grass and not. She's set right here. Oh shit.
Oh shit, dude. I'm gonna try to lift it. This thing. Hold this.
No.
I'll try to lift it.
Well, this one's actually pretty good.
Watch me embarrass
Time
myself.
lapse. Look at but look at the angle.
That's beautiful. I'm gonna use that. Definitely gonna use that. Yo, bro, you know I feel like I'm at a pumpkin patch.
Oh yeah. What if we can see a car right there?
I'm blind. I don't know where I am. I've been stuck here for like 2 days. I'm running out of food and water.
All I've been stepping on is dirt.
I'm pretty sure that's sewage.
Bro, how do I get this shit out of my screen?
What thing? Oh no, that's good. It doesn't appear.
I know, but like, it's giving me OCD.
I'm 5 months later. I'm back. Pop out of one of the manholes. I'm back.
Okay.
Deadly.
Let me charge my phone with the solar panels.
You think that would even work? Oh shit, that's just a car. Oh shit. A quicksand.
Oh no, it's electric.
Oh shit.
We just touched it.
Oh, what is this? Oh, look at this metal plate.
Oh look, we found
Is that
Amelia
tinfoil?
Earhart's airplane.
Near.
Or pieces of it. Oh, that's a balloon.
Same shit. How much you dare me throw a rock at that fence?
Right here. Oh wait, hey, get ready.
What?
Perfect shot. Oh, yep, there it is. Ah, it
Little
jumped.
grasshopper.
Yeah, grasshoppers. What the heck?
I think we need to go further this way. Yeah, definitely.
Maybe that way. I don't want to go that way.
The found footage type. But oh my god, I found this camera in a graveyard, and this is what I found on the film. Also with 100 pictures of bacon. This man likes his lunch meats.
I did on my phone.
Look on your phone, like, why is there hundreds of pictures of a dog?
No. Why is there 100 pictures of a girl?
No!
You compromised.
No! I'm gonna watch it when I get home.
Why is there 100 pictures of a girl that I keep on FaceTiming?
Oh my god, this guy likes his women.
But right when I take a picture of her, she doesn't like it.
Rock fight. They go on your Instagram like, oh my god.
Oh my god.
He's
He
a
made it.
simp.
He made an Instagram for his dog and his gaming channel.
That's brilliant. Why did I think of that? Guy opens up like Facebook.
I'm just like looking fucking around. Oh look, Rock Hill. No, don't do that.
No. I don't think I'll make it. If you find me, call the cops. We are gods.
The start of Lion King.
All this belongs to you. What's your idea? Oh, you bet.
Oh, I want to slide down.
Oh, you want to slide the thing that... Yo, we should get trash can lids and do it.
Ooh, fancy. Ooh, fancy.
We're just
I
messing with this
find
construction
alive.
site.
Something.
Something has died here. Oh my god, there's so much flies. Want to lift it? Oh, what is it?
Nothing.
Man, we found a dead body. Oh my god, no we didn't.
J
Well,
Station.
Yeah, we found a dead body at 3 a.m. Spoopy time. No, was it? Calling Annabelle at 3 a.m. Now that's J Station.
This is
Yo,
so
you
great.
dare me to climb in that thing?
You won't. You won't.
I will. I will.
You won't start it up.
Hold this, hold this, hold this.
I'm going in the bushes. I'm going in the bushes. Oh shoot. How do I zoom in with this? Fuck. Wait, where the fuck did he go? Oh, there he is.
I can't get up.
Just climb on the wheels. Actually, no. I think we should head back because it ends like right here.
What is there something cool back there? Like money.
Yeah,
someone,
oh, Gatorade.
someone canonically just left their wallet.
Yeah, we just find it.
For the next
Actually,
kids who trespass.
Every time we were walking, I actually looked in the ground.
Oh my god, yo. Dude, I gotta do it.
It's not perfect.
Ah!
That's gravel, by the way.
Ah,
They're
shit.
gonna notice that. They're gonna notice. They're gonna notice.
Earth! I'm an earthbender.
They're gonna notice that it's blue. Keep on getting my finger into the fucking.
Bro,
flame.
y'all be using these things on Minecraft. That thing sucks.
It really does. All we do is get flint out of it.
I know, right?
And we just like look at us and we're gonna move.
Like, who are these young bastards in a field for?
Oh, I know where you are. Got little shit ass bastard lives over here.
I know.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck, bruh. Are you ready for the rock battle? Between dirt
No.
and machine.
No, what's it called? Oh, fuck. What was it?
I'm gonna go down there.
Sparta, Sparta.
Sparta. This is Sparta. I'm gonna go down. Ready?
Wait, the staircases.
This ain't staircases. You ain't coming with?
Nah, I'm good. I'll be right here. Upper angle.
I don't think there's a wallet.
I don't think there's a wallet. I'll look at my phone to find my phone. Wait. Right when you said wallet, wait, where's my phone?
Oh, wait, where is it? I wonder where.
It's right in front of me.
Yo, dude, look at your butt.
Good content.
Good. Great content right there.
Exploding.
But like that, wait a minute. Just my shoes.
Okay, we did it. Okay, come on. Let's go back.
What if we check out this dump?
You know what? Let's bring back something for a,
This is... Wait, no, let me
stick.
throw it off the cliff. Let me throw it off the thing.
Oh yeah, good content.
Good content.
Good content.
I'll just put the sparking thing. Without the kick.
Good content. Cops.
Right, stop. Oh, wait, film me doing this?
Wide angle.
Both cameras. This is Spartan! Oh, shit. Ah, I feel sad.
Right there.
Okay, I think we can leave here now. I'm kind of through.
You better pay me.
I'm gonna pay you.
I think I should get paid
If
more
your
than
camera
this.
quality is shitty, I'm gonna be pissed.
Okay.
Yeah, pay this guy for nothing.
Bro, I have an iPhone 12.
I have a 12 phone. I have an iPhone 13 X Max blue.
What the fuck's that?
iPhone 8 just carrying around this thing.
And then me holding the iPhone 12.
How about I go back to my house? I'll leave my sweater there because I don't like this sweater.
Okay.
Then we'll go to the woods.
Oh, we got 2 people walking dogs.
You serious?
Hey, I have balls.
Do it. I'll do it too, man.
You'll do it if I do it. Wow.
Deal. Ready? Ugh.
Oh wait, I was opening the wrong thing.
This is Sparta! I'm gonna get down before I get sued.
Okay, let's go that way.
Definitely. Oh my god, I need water. I regret. Yeah, I am. I'm fat as shit, bro.
We explode the natural disasters that happen to us.
Like the disaster of habitats.
The disaster of habitat. Look at that. That is a machine. That is a dangerous machine.
Oh my god, look down there. It's a machine.
Oh my god, look right over there.
It's metal. It's metal.
It is probably an alien trying to stand
It's
still.
Very deadly.
Oh.
Carol. Yo, welcome back to my prank channel.
It's like right there.
Right in front of Carol. Dude, hide your face, hide your face.
Oh shoot, I still have it at three times.
I've already been recording for like 16 minutes.
19 minutes. Oh, I'm better than you.
When I take that hat, we're gonna cut both the cameras. 3, 2,
Wait, we're gonna like stop video?
1.